Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move vertices in Blockbench. Moving vertices lets you fine-tune shapes at a detailed level. First, make sure your object is a mesh and switch to Edit mode. Enable vertex selection from the selection tools. Click a vertex to select it. Use the Move tool and drag the arrows to reposition the vertex. You can move vertices along specific axes for precise control. You can also select multiple vertices and move them at the same time like so. And that's how to move vertices in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.